Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can remove subscription plan from all premium VPNs. So if you are coming across this channel for the first time, please kindly do well to subscribe to this channel. Also don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you can get notified of all our latest video. In this video I'm going to be using the Thunder VPN as an example for you guys, so you can follow the step-to-step guide in this video, and trust me, you are going to be able to remove subscription from all the premium VPNs. So now let's go. First, you need to download the VPN in your Play Store or Apple Store. After the download, you can now proceed to open the VPN. Click accept, and here you can see the premium plans for this Thunder VPN. We are going to remove all these paid plans in this video. The next step is for you to open your MT manager, click allow, then go to the menu and then select extract APK. You have to wait for the page to load. After it loads, select the Thunder VPN and then click on extract APK. After that, click on locate. That's the VPN in the folder. So the next thing is for you to locate your NP manager and open it. Click allow. Now locate the folder where your app is extracted to from the MT manager. Now go to the APKs. Now locate your VPN app and select it. Select function, select remove signature verification, and now select SF sign killer. Now select the simple APK and then wait for the file to extract. After the file has been extracted, now you can go back to your MT manager, click on the extracted file and then click on view. Select the classes.dex, dex editor plus, select all and then click OK. Wait for the file to extract. So after that, go to the string in the list of menu in the header area of the page, and now click on filter, erase and type in VIP. Now select the VIP line. Here you are going to look for the constant string V2 VIP, and that's it. Select it. The next thing is for you to look for this particular line and click on the arrow pointing to the next alphabet. After that, replace this line OXO with OX1. Then you can now save your file. Now click the back button after saving it. Click the back button, then click on rebuild. After that, you can wait for the process to be completed. Now after the process is completed, click the back button. Now click on the app which you made the changes to and then click on install. You will have to first of all uninstall the previous version installed on your phone, then install this modified one. Now you can open the app. Open the app, click on accept. And now you can see the magic right here. All the payments have been bypassed successfully. So now you can use all the plans here. You can connect to any country of your choice for free without any payment. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please kindly do so. Thank you for watching this video guys. See you in our next video.